we are looking at how to pronounce this word as well as how to say more interesting and related words in English, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for reference. In French, because this is a word of French origin, it is said as Dragees, Dragees, and this actually explains the pronunciation in English, which is as Dragees, Dragees. Well, I think you do pronounce the S in English indeed. You would say Dragees, Dragees, even though in French it would be silent. Dragees is how it is said, or Dragees if it's only one of them. And now you know. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.